Genre painting depicts aspects of everyday life by portraying ordinary people engaged in common activities. A bird's eye view painting is an elevated view of an object from above, with a perspective, as though the observer were a bird. Illustration painting is a decoration, interpretation, or visual explanation of a text, concept, or process designed for integration in published media. The still life painting mostly depicts inanimate subject matter, typically commonplace objects which are either natural or man-made. Aerial perspective, also called atmospheric perspective, method of creating the illusion of depth or recession in a painting. Landscape painting is the depiction of landscapes and natural scenery, especially where the main subject is a wide view with its elements arranged into a coherent composition. Floral painting is a type of painting in which one or more flowers or plants bearing flowers are depicted. Music painting is the process of putting colors and patterns in an order or combining them to create a unified composition like sounds and tones. Abstraction painting indicates a slight, partial, or complete departure from reality in depiction of imagery in art. Abstract painting is visual language of shape, form, color, and line to create a composition which may exist with a degree of independence from visual references in the world. Portrait painting is representation of a person, in which the face and its expression is predominant.